Class 10th Geography, Chapter Climate of India. This is the third part of this chapter. Monsoon and its mechanism. The word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Originally, the word monsoon was used by Arab navigators several centuries ago to describe a system of seasonal reversal of winds along the shores of the Indian Ocean, especially over the Arabian Sea, in which the wind blows from the southwest to northeast during summer and northeast to southwest during winter. In other words, monsoon are periodic or seasonal winds in which there is a complete reversal of wind direction every 6 months. Origin of monsoon. As stated earlier, monsoons are basically land and sea breezes on a large scale. The sun shines overhead the Tropic of Cancer from March to May. The southwest monsoon divides into two branches due to tapering topography of peninsular India, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch. The Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon strikes the western coast of India in Kerala on 1st June. It gives very heavy rainfall along the windward side of Western Ghats as these winds are unable to cross over Western Ghats. The rainfall is called orographic or relief rainfall. The Deccan Plateau, lying in the rain shadow of the Western Ghats, receives very little rainfall. For example, Mahabaleshwar, situated on the western side of the Western Ghats, receives 250 centimeters of rainfall, whereas Pune, only a few kilometers away, receives less than 70 centimeters. The Arabian Sea branch gets exhausted by the time it reaches Punjab and sheds its moisture after the Bay of Bengal branch at the foothills of the Himalayas. The Bay of Bengal branch. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Sri Lanka are the first to receive rainfall from the Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch advances northeastward after picking moisture from the Bay of Bengal. The main target of the Bay of Bengal is a low pressure area in North Myanmar. However, a part of it is intercepted by the northeast Himalayas, including Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills. Mawsam Ram, 16 kilometers west of Cherrapunji, gets the heaviest annual rainfall in the world, 1187.3 centimeters. This is relief rainfall. Shillong, on the other hand, lying in the rain shadow of Khasi hills, gets little rainfall. The remaining portion of the Bay of Bengal branch is deflected towards west along the Himalayas. The rainfall goes on decreasing as it proceeds through the Ganga Valley. The current finally merges with the Arabian Sea branch and sheds remaining moisture at the foothills of the Himalayas. On its way, it gives rainfall to West Bengal, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Here ends the third part of this chapter.